Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert memory card on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, to do it, we need to take off the SIM card tray first. So we're going to use this. Usually it's always attached with the phone, in the phone packaging. Simply insert it, use a little bit of a pressure, and then the tray pops out. Now, we need to place our SD card. I'm using the microSD card. And in here we have a place for it. Now we need to simply place it. It should jump there. Okay, here it is. It's placed flat, so it won't jump out. Now we just gotta take our phone and insert it back again. And now, as you go to Files, Samsung, My Files, you can scroll down, and in here you can see external storage, and in here we have our SD card. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.